Hello, this is Zach Keelik with vCACteam.info with a quick demonstration on how to get started using the vCAC Prerequisite Checker to get your environment ready. Here's my Windows Server 2008 box with my installation zip on the desktop. We'll go ahead and open it up. And it's very simple. We'll go to Tools and the vCAC Prerequisite Checker Installer.msi. Copy that out to the desktop. Exit out of that. The installation is just a simple next, accept, next. You can change the location if you like by pressing the browse button, going forward, and hit install. We'll complete that by hitting finish. And now what you should see, if we go to start, all programs, and vCAC Prerequisite Checker, is the tool sitting there installed. All you have to do is click the Run Checker. And it'll come back and tell you whether or not your system is up to date and ready to have vCAC installed. You can see that on some of these things, like for example IIS, you can click this Fix Issue up at the top right hand corner. And on other things, like the IIS settings, it'll give you a very detailed description as to the steps you have to take in order to get that setting ready to go. Something to keep in mind when using this tool is that sometimes, especially with the IIS settings, it'll sometimes tell you that a setting is incorrect when it's actually set to a correct state. Now, what you do in those circumstances is you can go to that setting, turn it to an incorrect setting, save it, and then turn it back. I'll walk you through an example using this Windows authentication setting here. So what I'll do is I'll follow these instructions here and go into IIS and the authentication settings. So here we have the authentication settings. We'll go to the Windows authentication and check the providers. You note that they are in the correct state, so we'll go ahead and remove them. We'll hit OK. We'll go back into the providers and we'll add them back in. From there, we can exit out of IIS and rerun the checker. You'll see that now we have all green checkboxes indicating that all settings are ready for the vCAC installation. And we can exit out of this and start our installation. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to check back on vCACteam.info regularly for more tips, tutorials, and videos.